All right, what is up, guys? It's B, aka Torch, and welcome to the newest episode of Torch Live. So today I'm hanging out with Pat, Bryce. We're in Bryce's sick house, his sick basement. Calls it the bike cave. And what we're doing today is building this new bad boy that I got. And you guys shall see the adventure of us building, and then I don't know if I can really ride today, so might pedal it around. And then I also got some new, like that. I got some new forks.
Some forky foods, dude.
Got a new fork for the T8. Got some new grips because my hands were cramping super bad. So got some fat boy grips in there. So we're gonna do her up, and then I'll give all the info about the fork and everything once it's on. But let's get into the nitty gritty of bike building. These boards are gonna help me because, as you guys can tell from my previous video, I have zero knowledge on bike maintenance. So all right, let's get it. Here we go. Alright guys, here's the new dirt jumper. I ordered the Polygon Trid. Came in really quick too. Alright, so it definitely needs some new pedals.
Every bike.
Came with this sick multi-tool.
Yeah.
It's actually nice quality. Came with this wrench. Came with this super cool bottle opener in the shape of a bicycle. Also came with these pedals, which need to go like immediately. But first thing we're doing, taking these dorky things off.
Got sandpaper ones, you rather those?
It's honestly not a bad idea to run plastic.
That's, yeah.
No?
On a dirt jumper.
I definitely want to get, how do you say that company? Deity?
DD, yep.
Yeah. Their pedals are sick. Oh, this is gonna be so weird to ride.
It is.
At first, then you get used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get used to it. I mean...
Alright guys, you're doing good, guys.
Working hard, bro.
So the reason why I got the dirt jumper is, one, Bryce has like an entire dirt jump course in his yard, which is fucking sick. Also, they said if I learn how to jump on this, it transitions to like downhill stuff pretty heavily. And obviously jumps is what I'm struggling with most.
Plus, dirt jumping is just fun, dude.
Yeah.
It's wrong backwards.
So, really?
The rear brake. Oh no, there we go. We're good.
Very nice. This is half length too. What the fuck is that? Is this used, dude? Or is that just from shipping?
Oh no, that's a rubber...
Is that for a chain slot?
Yeah.
Can I put, why is it like beat?
Oh, that's probably from the cardboard.
Oh.
maybe, yeah.
Got you.
Because it was fiber.
Dude,
Just come off.
return it, dude. It's already stained. I was gonna say, I was wondering if I had the Polygon. I'm gonna get roasted on YouTube.
Get roasted.
Because I come over here for you guys to help me and you do the whole bike.
It's fine, dude. Here, throw that in there.
What?
The bolt.
Oh, okay. Right, here
Do
we go.
something.
Yeah, there we go. All right, sick.
Sweet. Thanks, Bryce.
Yep, no worries. I got you.
So I'm gonna try these bars first and then see if I'm gonna be uncomfortable anyways, because I'm going from an extra large
Yeah.
mountain
It's gonna
bike.
feel weird at
Yeah,
first.
so this thing's sick though.
All right, dude. Wish you the front wheel. Just pop them. Nice. So these like the fork, they make it so that it pinches a little bit. So yeah, then go ahead and put that in. There you go.
Quick release too, that's
Yeah,
nice.
that's nice. Yeah, so with this out, you'll see there's like this notch.
Mm-hmm.
You just spin that to tighten it. So that's gonna be in that.
Oh, okay.
And when that's tightened, then you can. You done, boy?
Hell yeah. This thing's sick.
Oh, I can pump up the
Then you
tires.
could do bar spin.
My pumps. Spin my
Oh, super light, dude.
I think it's sick, dude. Actually.
Yeah, this thing's fucking nice.
That's super sick.
All right.
Dude, four.
Yes. Oh, dude, I love the hub. god, it's so light. Hell yeah. Sick. All right, bike number 2. All right, so the fork I got is the DVO Diamond, I believe. It was on Bikes Online on sale from $1,000 to $349. It's 160 travel. Yeah, Diamond D1 DVO. This thing is sick. Hell yeah. Let's see what else is in there. Oh no way, it came with a fender.
Yeah, bolts right on.
That's sick. DVO sticker. Oh, you guys do that? I can work on the... No, I can't. I was gonna say I can work on my grips. All right, and then the grips I got. DD Fat Boy grips.
Take the brake.
I need to clean my bike. It's dirty.
There's this fancy new multi-tool.
There you go. Okay, let's listen to the game.
I don't know if this is a... Oh.
There you go.
I'm a big sticker dude. Even those aren't deity bars, but that's all right. Yeah, the guys at Highland helped me put those on because Jesus.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Did that even come out, dude?
So they're too tight?
Yeah, that was way too tight.
That was really tight.
I don't like it though.
That was not letting it come out, bro.
You know what's funny is I snapped the stem bolt, so I brought it to Highland and they helped me put that one on. Why did he put it on so tight? Jesus, dude. Put it on with a f***ing machine?
I don't know, dude. That's wicked tight, though. There we go. We got
It was supposed to be like 6 Newton.
Yeah, what the f***?
Alright, now we can pop this bad boy. Oh, there we go.
Alright, so I'm sitting here editing this video and I'm cracking up because look at me. I'm just sitting here holding the bars and the stem spacers, just chilling. Like the boys, they were trying to ride Bryce's dirt course before it got dark, which is understandable. So they were like trying to rush through building the bikes. And I'm totally fine with that, but I just find it hilarious that I'm sitting here just holding parts and watching them do basically everything. I'm like helpless when it comes to this bike stuff. So Pat and Bryce, if you could please teach me at some point, that'd be greatly appreciated. But dude, this video is cracking me up, so I had to come in and say something about it. But all right, let's get back into the nitty gritty.
There it goes. So that'll go on here. We need to measure. I want to measure first before you throw it on. 7 3/4.
I usually do it just like this.
That wouldn't work.
Maybe not that much taller.
7. I'm gonna hold that top up there actually. That's 7.5. Shoot, 7 3/4. I'm an idiot.
Hurry up, let's go.
Come on, bro.
Cutting into the riding time.
I'm sorry. It's all my fault.
Oh, I should have put one of those stickers on my boot, dude.
Definitely should have.
Damn it. You guys want to sign my cast?
Yep.
Sign my boot.
Sign my mood boot.
There it goes.
Nice. Nice. Should open a bike shop, dude.
That's good.
You know how long this would take if I was doing it by myself?
Now we just got a hammer.
What I've always used PVC pipe.
I know I don't have a piece though, unfortunately. Just not going in. Use some grease.
All right, I'm gonna do my grips. Hot tool on that thing. Spin on that thing.
Beautiful.
Fucking hot tool on that thing. All right. Oh, these grips are sick, dude.
There you go. Sick. All right, she's ready.
After.
Not a stem on there, boys.
Was it gold and that, or
Yeah, it was like that.
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's gonna be tight to get it on there. You get in your home.
What the f, dude?
Why is it so tight? Okay, now we just need a top spacer.
I have some over here.
You had some that you were on there?
Yeah.
These guys were on there. Let's see if we got the right. You might need a little. Oh, wait, actually, no, this will be perfect because these ones here. About all you need.
oh,
What?
star nut.
Star nut. Ooh, yeah, we do need a star nut. I got one.
Send her home.
Send her home, dude. No, take, where's the top cap? Do you have a top cap?
Yeah. Ow.
Here, I'll use.
Oh, that thing.
Yep.
Oh.
Sorry.
Thought
Sorry,
you had
everyone.
everything.
Sorry, everyone.
I got a star nut driver.
You do?
I do.
Wow. You are way cooler than me.
Go too far. You got the spacers.
No, I know. I'm not even in there yet.
Oh, okay. I'm just saying.
Hey, actually, take that off
You
for
don't
now.
want to drive it in there too deep and then not be able to reach it.
Okay, now we're gonna have to back her out a little bit. Looks good.
Should be good.
Should be Gucci. Ooh, maybe a little further. A little further?
Yeah, go.
What do you think, Pat?
There. Maybe two.
2 hairs? It's right about there.
Oh, you're gonna have to edit that out.
Is there a lip there? A little bit?
Yeah.
That's enough.
Where you tighten it up to 60 foot-pounds.
Yep, apparently. Good.
Hold on.
What are you seeing?
That ain't right.
What's not right?
Same. The spacers.
Oh.
Maybe put that one on the bottom.
There you go.
I just been because I didn't have it. Hold it right. There we go. That looks good.
Okay.
We can build bikes.
Yeah.
Through axle for that.
Yeah. Right here. Way to go, Pat. Pat's hungry. He wants to ride his bike.
Yeah, he is.
I'm hungry. I want to ride my bike.
I appreciate it, boys. I would have gotten there, probably that far, and then would have been like,
Yeah, put on your fork. It can be a pain in the butt, especially.
I think Bryce has the through axle. Bryce, do you have the through axle?
Oh yeah, alright.
Boom. Sensitivity off the top.
Yeah, it's off the top thing.
Not for jumping use.
What?
No, it's
I was gonna say, what? Well, too damn bad, dude. Thank you. Straight, right?
Taller.
Looks and feels taller.
Grip.
Yeah.
What I like to do is I stand right over it and make sure it looks perfect again.
Yeah, these grips are sick. I'm gonna feel so much better
Oh yeah,
compared to my
dude,
old ones.
for sure. Way better than the other ones.
Are these the ones I sent you?
Yep.
If you ruin your grip,
Yeah.
instead of spending the $30 or whatever for a new grip,
Mhm.
you can buy just the
Just the rubber? Oh, that's
for,
cool.
Like $15.
Really? That's sick. I was wondering about the like hard casing on the inside. Sick.
Don't forget your tool, bro.
Oh yeah. Yeah, give me that. I'd order $1,000 bicycle to get it. All right, we are done. Oh my God!